Is this thing on?
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when they...
Hey everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. Today's video is sponsored by Voyor, where they sent me this great 4-in-1 bath cleansing brush. And of course, not only am I going to be doing an unboxing for this and sharing with you guys the product that I did get, I also want to give you guys some other gift ideas. So starting with this gift idea, let's get into it. If you're new to my channel, I welcome you, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I have a sponsorship that I want to share with you guys. So thank you so much to Voyor for sending me another great item to unbox and share with you all. So Voyor was nice enough once again to work with me and send me out another product that is new. The product that I have here comes in a set of different colors that you guys see here. I would love something like this for like a Christmas gift, or if it's like my birthday. Charles, if you're watching, yeah, next time you know better and to do better. But anyways, if you like this, the link will be in my description box down below so that you all can go over and order yours today. So as I open it, I'm going to share with you guys the product. Okay, so in my box here, I have the Voyor BC 300 4-in-1 bath cleansing brush. This brush has a full range of skincare, and you can enjoy a healthy and beautiful life. So you can register to become a VIP if you scan this code right here on the front package. So some of the functions of this is that it's a powerful motor. It has a 360 bi-directional rotation, non-slip long handle, whole body covered with silicone, 4 replacement brush heads. It also has IPX6 waterproof, a USB Type-C charging cord, and then a 1-button operation as well as adjustable speeds. So when you're looking at the box, this is silicone and ABS, which is the material that it's made of. The working voltage is 3.7 V. It just needs to be recharged, and then it's just a lightweight cleansing brush. That's amazing. Like I said, with Christmas coming up, who can beat having one of these? So it looks like it comes with a bristle brush head, which is this one right here, a silicone bath brush head, a bath ball head, and then a soft brush head. So 4 different interchangeable heads. So I'm going to take it out of the packaging just to show you guys what type of product you are going to get. So on the inside there is the product itself. We'll start with sharing. This is the actual brush head. Like they said, it is long. You can hold it right here. It does have like those ridges where your fingers can go to hold it. Here's your USB or USB-C port where you will charge it and how you'll charge it. And then it just is a little button where you can just push it back down in. And then here's the power button. So the power button not only turns it on, but it also controls the speed. So also there are instructions here that are gonna go over the speeds, what the different interchangeable heads are, as well as just how to use it, teaching you how to charge it and things like that. So a really great little manual. And then here is the cord that you're gonna need in order to charge it back up, as well as some of the interchangeable pieces. So once again, we have the silicone bath brush head, which is right here. It looks like this. On the back side, it's the interchangeable pieces that are gonna fit. So I will put it on and show you guys. So it just snaps on, or you can kind of twist it on. And when you turn it on, it's gonna go just like that. Remember, you use the power button like a one push to turn it speed-wise. So there's 3 different speeds. So next we have, so the manual says that when you want to remove it, you'll just hold the handle of the device with your left hand and hold the brush head with your other hand to pull the brush head. Okay, so you just really have to like use full force and pull it. The next brush head I want to show you guys is the actual soft brush head, and honestly it feels so soft and amazing, like as if like someone's just brushing your hair. So you guys can see it here, just amazing. I'm not gonna put it back on because I'm scared that it might get locked again, but here is the bristles soft head, and this one is soft too, except it's just like a little harder. And then we have the bath ball head, which is like a sponge, just like on here. So here are the 4 interchangeable bath heads that you can use with this product. So like I said, you're gonna have to use some force to pull it off. So I want to say thank you so much to Voyor for sending that product for me to share with you all today. Okay, so now that I've shared with you guys the product that I've received, I think that this is a really great Christmas gift for women. Not only is it like affordable, it's really cute, it's very easy like for someone to hang up, as well as keeping all of like the tools around and being able to like put these to good use. So definitely be looking out in my description box for this link to order yours today. So idea number 2 that I had was to get a fire stick. Fire sticks are really great because a lot of women love that like everything is all included in one. When you guys buy the Roku stick, it's very hard because not everything is plastered on your screen like it is when you have a fire stick. The fire stick is linked to your Amazon account, and the good thing about it is like your card is already on file. If you want to download Noggin, you know, if you have kids, then she can do that. If she wants to download this app or that app, she can do just that. Idea number 3 is a Ring camera. Of course, you want to make sure that your woman is safe. You want to make sure that, you know, whoever in your family is a-okay. It doesn't have to be your woman, it doesn't have to be your wife, it doesn't have to be your spouse. It could just be your partner, it could be your mother, it could be your grandmother, it could be so a Ring camera is just going to keep that person safe. And of course, like while they're at work or gone on vacation, they can thank you later because that gift will come in so much handy. Gift idea number 4 is to do an air fryer. A lot of women love to cook, and of course after coming home from a long day of work, the last thing that they want to do is come home and stand over the stove. So a lot of people have resorted to just going and getting an air fryer and making things in there, especially when they want to like do chicken or something, they don't feel like standing over the stove to do it. It's a great idea for sure. Gift idea number 5 is to do an espresso machine. In the morning times, ladies are always trying to get ready for work, and the last thing they want to do is like make a pot of coffee and this is in a third. Let them make it the fancier way. So definitely go get that espresso machine and get her some pods to get her started if that's the case, or whatever it is coffee wise she needs to get started. Idea number 6 is to do a heated blanket. It is getting really chilly outside lately, and of course with the winter coming up, and it is getting in those low digits lately. A heated blanket, laying on the couch, drinking some hot chocolate, watching TV, Christmas movies and everything else, a heated blanket is the way to go. Gift idea number 7 is a Fitbit. Of course, a lot of people have already have like Apple Watches. Okay, cool. But when they forget those Apple Watches at home and go to the gym, that Fitbit is going to be right there. That Fitbit can take cover of the Apple Watch being left at home, not charged, or whatever. It's still going to do some of the fitness things that you need it to do. Gift idea number 8 is to do some UGG boots. UGG boots are ratherly expensive, but at the same time, they're well worth it. In the winter, you want to keep your feet warm, and so the one thing I can say about Uggs is like they're really cute. They're really cute. They have different styles. They have different pairs that you guys can get for whoever it is you're getting her in your life. Of course, idea number 9 is to do an ice maker. Getting her an ice maker would make like matters so much better, especially like for those who love to just chew on ice, but also those who like to come home and like make an iced coffee, right? So for those who like to come home and just like eat ice from time to time, the little smaller ones, like the ones you get from Chick-fil-A, like the ones you get from the hospital, those would be really good. Idea number 10 that I had was to do a computer wireless keyboard. These little things are adorable. I think that a lot of women would love them if they like, if they have laptops. I necessarily wouldn't do it, but then again, like if they have desktops like MacBooks and you know, like Dell and all that other type of stuff. Idea number 11, I would do a foot massager. Being a gift for her and she's been out all day long shopping, working, or taking care of kids all day, I would buy it for her. Let her have like that moment to come home and just stick her feet in, even if it is for 10-20 minutes, and let her have that moment. Idea number 12 I had was to do a foot spa with heat. These little things are so amazing. It definitely helps you save the $45 that you don't want to spend going to get a mani-pedi or just a pedicure. Idea number 13 is blankets for women. Blankets for women. Why do I say this? Blankets, they can get blankets anytime. The thing of it is like, you know, if they have like a special team they like or a special theme blanket that they would like, buy it for them. They might not have it. And then again, at the end of the day, like there's not enough blankets that someone can ever have, especially like if women like to decorate for the holidays or the seasons, or if they like to just decorate their home in general. Idea number 14 is to do some tumblers. The reason why I say tumblers is because a lot of women love coffee, iced coffee. They also like drinks and things like that. So buying tumblers with like their favorite team, maybe like initials, or like a cup with their favorite color on it would be amazing to have as well. Idea number 15, last but not least, is to just buy her like some car accessories, things that she might like for her car. At the end of the day, a lot of women like you know, having like a steering wheel cover. They like having like a dangling you know, whatever. Some people buy like flags for their cars, or they like cup holder to go with the theme of their car. You'll know it. But anyways, those are my 15 ideas that I have for you for gifts for them. I hope that you all have enjoyed watching this video and watching me to unbox my newest Voyor product. So if you have, all of the links of anything that you've seen in this video will be down in my description box down below. And also, just to let you know, I do earn money from any of the Amazon links that you all buy from, as I am an Amazon affiliate. So I wanted to say thank you so much to Voyor for sending that great product to me today. I really appreciate it and definitely cannot wait to put it to good use tonight after this video. I hope that you all have enjoyed watching these ideas of things to gift women for Christmas. And then of course, not only for Christmas, use these gift ideas for birthdays. And if you need to come back to this video, you know where to find me. If you're subscribed down below, you'll be able to find me even faster. And if you're not, it's free. Take a second, subscribe down below and let me know what are some other things that women like for Christmas. See you guys in the next video.